Today I want to show you all that how to use the Easy Touch Up for automotive touch up pen. Okay, we open up the box. Right, so you can see that there's 4 bottles. Right, it's a step 1 bottle for wax and grease removal. Right, step 2 is a easy base coat for silver metallic, and step 3 is for clear coat, and lastly is for step 4 is rubbing compound. So also have a manual book here. Right, so this is the manual. Direction of application for Easy Touch Up pen. Right, first all we use a cotton rag, the clean and dry cotton rag, to remove the water, any water on the scratch. This one is the scratch.
You can see this one. Alright. Okay. So also this is the scratch. Right, scratch all over here.
For step 1 we use the wax and grease removal.
So apply the on the this one. Okay. And here.
Right, step 2, here is the Toyota Silver Metallic.
So can you see the scratch over here? Some scratch. Okay, apply here. And apply here. Apply here.
We'll use the step 3 is a clear coat.
So from now on, the scratch cannot be seen anymore.
So thank you for watching.